Okay,
Vehicle.
vehicle. Yes, vehicle. அது அந்த Hன்றது நம்ம யூஸே பண்ண மாட்டோம். It's vehicle. Very good. Okay. Now, you please note down all these screenshot எடுத்துக்கோங்க. These are your pronunciation tips. In the block classes, your teachers will give you practice. Okay, they'll have you pronounce different words. They'll give you those quizzes and challenges and all that. Have fun with it. But this is the way you practice pronunciation. Now, how to read. இதுல வந்து there are 4 things: pronunciation, enunciation, fluency, and intonation. Okay. Wait. Sorry. So I want all of you to read. Okay. Some of you naturally enjoy and love reading. Very good. Abhi, even those who don't enjoy books, I'm going to request you to read. Because I'm telling you, you can take it from me in writing. Reading is like the best way of improving your language. And if you நீங்க என்ன genre வேணுமோ, you pick it, like detective fiction, thriller, science fiction, horror, romance, you name it, you pick it. The comedies, right? But read. And எடுத்ததுமே ஒரு இவ்ளோ பெரிய காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடான புக் எடுக்காதீங்க. Choose a book where you understand. So if you're buying the book, or you go to a library or online, open a page. Okay. If on that page there are more than 6 words that you don't understand, that book is not for you. Right? 6 word cut off on one hour. When we do reading programs, we select books where the student is able to understand almost all of the words. ஒரு 2 வார்த்தை 3 வார்த்தை புரியலனா, it's okay. You can refer to a dictionary. But otherwise, if you have to stop and constantly refer, bore அடிச்சிடும். So choose a book. It doesn't matter. You can even pick interesting children's books. Nothing wrong, right? We can learn language. Then read aloud. Imagine that you're presenting to an audience. Right? Record yourself reading aloud. It's a great way of improving confidence also, speaking confidence. And be stylish. அதுக்குன்னு false paying special attention அப்படின்னு நம்ம ஆக்சென்ட்லாம் போட வேண்டாம். அதெல்லாம் இல்லை. Remember what I told you. ரொம்ப அழுத்தி பேசக்கூடாது இங்கிலீஷ். ஸோ அந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ப்ரொனன்சியேஷனோட read aloud. Okay. Then pay attention to word endings. நம்ம என்ன தெரியுமா பண்ணுவோம்? முழுங்கிடுவோம். அது வந்து for example, look at these sentences. Okay. He looked at the map in confusion. முழுங்கிடுவோம். How was he supposed to understand all these signs and labels? எல்லாம் அது நம்ம அந்த plural தெரியாது. Right? So when we read, I want you to pay special attention to endings with ed. He walked. He didn't run. He walked. அந்த வந்து walked நம்ம சொல்ல மாட்டோம். T மாதிரி சொல்லுவோம். Walked. But you need to pay special attention to the ending. Right? Then also the way you the punctuation markers. Okay. Look at this. He was here a minute ago. இப்பதானே இங்க இருந்தாரு அப்படினு. Where did he disappear? Question mark. Question na மேல போகும் voice. Sam felt sad and lonely. Just one line. Sam felt sad and lonely. So நம்ம படிக்கும்போது, when we read aloud, there's a reason why authors use punctuation marks, right? So you need to respect that punctuation. Full stop na anga நிறுத்தணும். Comma na pause பண்ணணும். Question mark na voice மேல போணும். Right? Exclamation na அந்த excitement காட்டணும். So there is a reason why there are punctuation markers, and we need to use that. Look here. Pronunciation is how you say the word. For example, எது பண்ணலாம்? Punctuation. It's not punctuation. It's punctuation. That's the way you say the word. Enunciation. அப்படின்னா clear-ஆ பேசுறது. There are so many jokes on enunciation. Okay, I believe one guy went to a restaurant and wanted toast and jam. Instead he got a roasted lamb because he didn't enunciate clearly. நம்ம எவ்வளவு கிளியரா பேசுறோம்ன்றது தான் enunciation. Fluency, நம்ம பேசும்போது இன்னொருத்தருக்கு நம்ம பேசுறது புரியறதா? நீங்க வந்து தமிழ்ல யோசிச்சு இங்கிலீஷ்ல எழுதினீங்கன்னு வைங்களேன், அது வந்து இந்த தமிழ் தெரியாதவங்களுக்கு புரியவே புரியாது. Because the word order we would use in a true translation, as we call it, is completely different. Right? So நம்ம fluency, நம்ம பேசுறது இன்னொருத்தருக்கு புரியணும். Intonation, rhythm of the language. பேசும்போது there's a natural up and down, up and down. We are going to help you with all four. Don't worry. And did I have something else? Yeah. Here is this is not like an ultimate reading list or anything. Interesting stuff that you can read depending on your interests. Okay. Some authors, yeah, it's pulp fiction, but so what? It's good language and good fun to read. நம்ம படிக்கிறது எல்லாமே சீரியஸா இருக்கணும்னு யாருமே சொல்லல. We can have fun with the language. Okay. Right. Now, write. எல்லாருக்கும் ரைட்டிங் பயம். சில பேருக்கு வந்து ரைட்டிங் ஈஸி, பிகாஸ் ஸ்பீக்கிங்னா இன்னொருத்தரை ஃபேஸ் பண்ணி பேசணும் அப்படின்னு. ரைட்? நவ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் யூ நீட் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் இஸ் நம்ம எப்படி தப்பு பண்றோம். ஏன் தப்பு பண்றோம்னா, ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்ல இருக்கிற எலிமெண்ட்ஸை நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்க மாட்டோம். இருக்கிற வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் ஒன்னா போட்டுடுறோம். ரைட்? அதனால தான் தப்பு பண்றோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், வாட் எவர் யூ வாண்ட் டு ரைட், அதனுடைய கான்டென்ட், சப்ஜெக்ட் மேட்டரோட கீ வேர்ட்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும். அது டெக்னிக்கல் மேட்டரா இருக்கட்டும், ஏதாவது ஒரு டாபிக்கா இருக்கட்டும், அதனுடைய கீ வேர்ட்ஸ் யூ நீட் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். தென் அதை எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்றதுக்கான லாங்குவேஜ் வேணும். லாங்குவேஜ்னா என்னெல்லாம் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு? vocabulary, words, syntax, word order, right? Collocations. Collocations-na enna theriyuma? For example, you have a bath. Have a bath, not do a bath. Okay? We do our homework, not make our homework. You make the bed. You are a light sleeper. Light sleeper na enna? Romba easy-a mulichupom. Okay? He's an early riser. He gets up early. எப்படி இந்த வேர்ட்ஸை நம்ம ஃபாஸ்ட் ஃபுட்னு சொல்றோம்? Why don't we say quick food? That's because in the English language, certain words, okay, native users, யாருக்கு இது மதர் டங்கோ, they have decided இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் தான் ஒன்னா போடுவோம். காஃபி சாப்பிடுறீங்களா, காஃபி குடிக்கிறீங்களா நம்ம கேட்க மாட்டோம். ரைட்? அந்த மாதிரி these are collocations. அது கத்துக்கிறது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். இல்லைன்னா ஐ எம் டூயிங் மை பாத், இந்த மாதிரி தப்பு தப்பா பேசுவோம். ஓகே? தென் எவ்ரி சென்டென்ஸ், நம்ம எந்த சென்டென்ஸ் எழுதினாலும் சப்ஜெக்ட் அண்ட் verb இருக்கணும். ரைட்? Look at the first sentence. Sita dances. Sita is the subject, dances is the verb. நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் இது தெரியும், ஆனா மறந்துருவோம். I thirsty. I thirsty. அப்படின்னா I am thirsty. அங்க அந்த be verb வரணும். ரைட்? ஏன்னா அந்த நிலையை குறிக்கிறது. எனக்கு இப்போ தாகமா இருக்கு, I am thirsty. Right? I was thirsty, but I had a big glass of water and I'm fine now. ஏன்னா இப்போ எனக்கு அந்த I'm not thirsty. Right? So verbs are very important. They are the heart of the sentence. They were hungry. That shows that they're not hungry now. Right? These are simple sentences. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் longer பண்ணிட்டோம்னா சென்டென்ஸ்க்கு என்னெல்லாம் தேவை? She was the best in her batch. I can't say she was best in her batch. The best. எல்லாரும் விட நல்லா பண்ணவங்க அவங்க தான். Right? So articles தேவை. Please give me an orange. Can't say please give me a orange. Right? Then the books are in the bag. The ball is on the table. The cat is under the chair, right? If I change the preposition, the meaning will change. So longer sentences ku நீங்க என்ன பார்க்கணும்னா subject இருக்கா, verb இருக்கா, article இருக்கா, நான் எழுதின sentenceல இதெல்லாம் இருக்கா, prepositions correctா யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேனா, they are eating on the table. They are eating on the table. No, they are eating at the table. You sit at the table and eat. Table மேல ஏறி உட்கார்ந்து சாப்பிட மாட்டோம்ல, normally speaking. So prepositions matter. Then இன்னும் கூட நம்ம ஐடியாஸை எலாபரேட் பண்ணணும், இன்னும் நம்ம அதை எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா you can use adjectives, adverbs. Infosys is a first class company. She's a beautiful singer. Okay? That is such an interesting book. Whatever it is. அந்த நவுனை describe பண்ணும்போது we use adjectives. I'm not talking about the current season, okay? But Dhoni played extremely well. And come on, he is a great player, right? So, how was a certain action? அப்படின்னு குறிக்கும்போது adverb. Okay? These are the basic elements. If when you write, I just want you to keep in mind whether you have included all these elements in your sentences. Nariya, on so many occasions, there are missing verbs. Verb irukadu sentence la. Right? Especially have, do, make, இந்த மாதிரி verbs. இருக்கவே இருக்காது. Or தப்பா இருக்கும். She doesn't had this. அந்த மாதிரிலாம் எழுதுவாங்க. Right? So ensure these elements are in the sentence. Start journaling. Okay? Today we had an English class. I learned this. அப்படின்னு ஒரு 2 வரி 3 வரியாவது ஜர்னல்ல எழுதுங்க. Or such and such a thing happened. Today it's raining heavily. Doesn't matter what the topic is. Write at least 5 sentences. When you write the sentence, make sure it has a subject, it has a verb. In the elements எல்லாம் இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Proofread. Right? Okay, yeah. Use the right collocations. Ram wants to make up for lost time. Make do அப்படின்னா மாறிடும். Make upனா என்ன, நிறைய டைம் வேஸ்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு, he wants to compensate அப்படின்ற மீனிங் வரும். There is no cure for. You always use for with cure. Okay? You don't say there's no cure of. There's no cure on COVID. There's no cure in. It's cure of something. Okay, cure for something. Okay? So get the phrasal verbs and collocations right. Yeah. Now, no more excuses. You know that language is everywhere. நிறைய படிங்க, நிறைய கேளுங்க, படம் பாருங்க, இங்கிலீஷ் மியூசிக் கேளுங்க, try to learn the lyrics. Okay? என்ன மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க வேர்ட்ஸ் காம்பினேஷன்ஸ் பாருங்க. Maintain your journal. I think your block teachers are going to insist that you maintain a journal. So, but even on your own, maintain a journal, right? And use every opportunity to speak in English. தைரியமா பேசுங்க. தப்பு வருது, it's a great thing. If you make mistakes, it's a great thing, right? Speak at least 15 English sentences a day. இது நீங்க பண்ணணும்னா have your language buddies group and talk to each other in English. Have a goal, stay committed. Today is 12th November 2020. By 2021 12th November, this is the point I should reach. அப்படின்னு உங்களுக்கு நீங்களே ஒரு கோல் வெச்சுக்கோங்க and try to reach it. Okay? So this is what I have to say in today's class. I know I gave you a lot of information. This is only the foundation. Okay? In your block classes, your block teachers will unpack all of this for you. அப்படின்னா இதை எப்படி யூஸ் பண்றது, நீங்க இதெல்லாம் வச்சு நீங்க எப்படி இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்னு அவங்க உங்களுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹேண்ட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஷியலா சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க. சரியா? So now in the basics la 4 classes எடுக்க போறோம் சரியா and you will have corresponding block classes for each of this அதுக்கப்புறம் we are going to get into grammar communication non-verbal etc சரியா so I would like you to be very regular with your attendance and be sincere என்ன work set பண்ணாலும் block teachers தயவு செஞ்சு பண்ணுங்க and like I said in my slides please have a goal and stay committed okay so that's it from me today and I think you will be intimated on your timetable for the block classes going forward and happy Deepavali to all of you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Madhu?
Shall I display the results of the part 1 quiz?
Yes, please.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay. Guys, there's one more quiz coming up, okay? So remember that. You're all very welcome.
Are you able to see my screen, ma'am?
No. Haven't I stopped sharing mine?
Yes, you have. Okay. I'm not able to share, I guess. Okay, wait. Yes, I have chosen.
Okay. Oh, wow. Lots of 10 on 10s.
Yes, ma'am. There are lots of top scorers.
Fantastic. And very high marks. Awesome, you guys. So happy to see this.
So these students have scored 9 on 10 and 10 on 10. And then I would like the students to take a screenshot of this because I can't hold the screen for long. Eight on 10 and 7 on 10. Students, please take a screenshot.
Thank you, Madhu.
And
yeah,
there is another quiz, part 2 quiz. Those who didn't get the chance to answer this quiz, or those who didn't have enough time to complete this quiz, there's another quiz, part 2 quiz, and I'm sharing the link in the chat box. I would like to remind everyone, you must use your Bitsati ID to access the quiz. And the results for this will be announced in your respective WhatsApp groups. So join your groups as soon as possible. Check your mails. I'm sending the link here. All the best. I think they can take their time for this.
Sure, it's up to you guys.
Yes, you can take your time because you might have taken notes after the first quiz. So yes, they can use their notes, remember whatever they learned. Yes,
guys,
it's for all the
take
students.
Take notes, take screenshots, do what you need to do. It doesn't matter. All that we want is that you engage with the material. Sariya? But அது screenshot எடுத்து இப்போ ஏதாவது Fortnite விளையாடலாம் அப்புறம் பார்த்துக்கலாம்னு மட்டும் இருக்காதீங்க. Please listen because what I teach you is not all on the PowerPoint. I will be adding, or I generally do add extra information. Okay. That said, I want to thank all of you for your wonderful participation, and let's hope that these sessions are useful and you grow in confidence and with your language skills. The quiz is for all students, not just defaulters. Okay, it's a different quiz. It's not the same as the mid-class quiz.
Yeah, and we'll stop accepting the responses by 1:30. Please copy the link if you want. Once you leave the Zoom meeting, you will not be able to access the link. I mean, you will lose the link. So.
But I thought you were going to give them time for this quiz, no?
Yes, 15 minutes, ma'am.
Oh, I see. Okay, so that didn't come through. So guys, you need to finish it today. Okay. So, Madhu, it's already 1:15. So maybe 1:45. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Okay. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you all for your participation. Happy Deepavali once more. Oh, okay. There's someone has given the answer to the riddle, is it? Thank you for that, Divya. Wow, fantastic. Congratulations if you're still here in the meeting. Good job. Cynthia, would you like to end the meeting now?
Ma'am, I'm just waiting for them to complete the test. Not necessary?
Oh, they need to do it from the link?
No, I'm not very sure. Madhu, is it?
Oh, ma'am, they are given time till 1:45. They can quit the class
Do
and
it separately.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
students, the timetable for the block classes will be shared by the trainers. Thank you all. Happy Diwali. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, Cynthia.
Ma'am, I'll end the session now.
Sure.
Thank you.